and bends my will. There's a whisper soft, a gentle breeze, a voice that calms the stormy seas. It's the hand of God, so firm, so kind, guiding me when I feel blind. In every struggle, every tear, His presence grows ever near. When all seems lost, hope running thin, His divine help it ushers in. Through Moses standing by the Red Sea shore, God's help broke through a mighty roar. Waters parted, fear erased. His power revealed, His name embraced. When Pharaoh's wrath was at His peak, God made a way for the lost and weak. He fights for us, our battles won. In His strength we find the sun. No matter how dark the night may be, His help is there setting us free. Rules a widow in fields of grain. Found God's help in love's sweet refrain. In Moses' eyes she found a place. God's favor shone on her face. He orchestrates our every need, planting laws in hearts that bleed. When the world seems cold and cruel, His divine help becomes the rule. In every harvest, every seed sown, God's providence is clearly shown. Esther, a queen in Persia's land, held the people's faith in hand. God's help came through at that perfect time, turning fear into courage for moments of light. She stood tall for what was right, trusting God in the dead of the night. For every challenge, every test, His divine help proves the best. Through danger, trials, and silent tears, a guiding hand always appears. Paul on the road, blinded by light, fell to the ground, losing his sight. But in that moment of darkness, despair, God's help transformed David's heart bare. He rose anew with a vision clear, spreading the gospel far and near. In every fall, every struggle we face, God's help brings us to a place of grace. In every storm, every trial's wave, God's help is there, no mistake. When the waves crash and the winds roar, He stands beside us evermore. Through Job's pain and David's cry, God's help was never a lie. He lifts the broken and heals the weak. His strength is what we seek. Daniel's prayer, God's help was evident, His care so rare.